Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking few cards. Libras, I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have, so you can watch that reading, Libras. So these are the cards for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. And Libras, I request you to watch this reading till the end, because at some point of this reading you will get the clarity you are expecting today. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first in your circumstances today. It's Judgment, Page of Wands in reverse and World in reverse. So Libras, you are someone who is very much devoted. You are making honest efforts, trying to do things the right way. And your devotion and your honesty is the reason. Maybe there may be some difficulties today in your situation, but all that is going to change for you very soon. And you may see a lot of confusion, doubts. Something is not right in this relationship. Maybe this person is not telling you the truth, or you may feel that they are hiding something. They have some bad intentions, something is not right. So you are someone, a very honest person. You speak the truth, and though sometimes it may land you in difficulties for speaking your mind, but you are not someone who uh, who changes anything for others acceptance. So you speak the truth no matter what difficulties you see in your circumstances today. And Libras, your honesty and your devotion to this love, you love them truly, and you're wishing good things for this love, for this person and yourself. And maybe circumstances are not what you had hoped for. You feel that situation is not changing, though you are trying to be good. Lot of confusion, doubts, lack of clarity today. And something is coming up, guys. Maybe it may be this person is sending you a message or a news. They are taking the next step, maybe making a decision today for this love. So we will see what is the card. It's Seven of Pentacles in reverse. So you may have a lot of dreams and plans for yourself, and you're wishing good things for this love, but you need to see what you are thinking and planning, and you must see whether it is true to your heart, because what this person is going to tell you is something that is going to break all your dreams and plans. Maybe this person has some announcement or some news for you. So they are not seeing your love, or they are not ready to see what you are doing. So this person does not have any true intentions on you, Libra. So you must be very careful. If you are thinking of marriage or commitment or any big decisions today, you must think and decide. So that is the energy here with these cards for your relationship. For your career, Four of Cups in reverse. So a new beginning is waiting to come. Something good, something positive. And it may be a big opportunity taking you towards success and prosperity. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, truth be told. Such a beautiful card here, guys. So in your circumstances, in your relationship, this is the time to be your true self, whatever truth you have, true to your thoughts, emotions, your intentions, and clarity of communication. So, people will tell you who they are quickly if you are willing to listen to what they say and pay attention to how they are behaving with you. And if you talk to them freely, have that open conversation, you will see the truth. And it is time to see what is true for you and what you share with each other. And tell this person or tell someone who is close to you what you are, what you truly want. So, this is the time for that. And no one can do that for you because no one will know what is true in your heart. You must come out with that truth. So, your truth is based on the experiences you have and your personality. So, when you talk to this person about what you truly feel and what are your intentions, when that communication happens in a very honest way, you will find a higher truth that will help you to be more attuned to yourself. That will make you see things more clearly with more clarity. So, this is the time for you should not hold yourself back. Speak your truth and listen. That is going to work in a beautiful way in your relationship. So, the same way in your work, what are your truthful desires? What do you want to be? What is true for you? You must go for that. So, what are your desires for a prosperous life? You must think of it and plan for it. So, if you want to be a painter, are you making the efforts to achieve that goal? Or if you want to be a singer, are you being true to your calling you have? Whatever you wish for. So, this is the time for you to do that, being true to your thoughts, emotions, your goals. That is going to help you find your happiness and abundance. So, that is the energy here. A very beautiful card for you guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So, I will keep this aside. For those who chose this second card, we will see what it is. Show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. So, with this card in your circumstances today, so maybe you are too much obsessed with something, or you are thinking of something, worrying about something, but this may be the time for you to detach a little from whatever situation you are asking about. And maybe for some of you, you are trying to avoid someone, keeping someone at an arm's distance. But it is not a bad thing. But if you want your life to unfold as it is, whatever needs to be done, you must not have that fear or anxiety. You must never hold yourself back from showing the world the real you. And it is important for you to let life flow as it should and manifest things as it should. So instead of holding back or avoiding something, that is not going to help you in any way today, guys. And you need to believe in yourself, because you are a very unique person, and Your unique characteristics are what makes you special. So, in this relationship, are you being too aloof or detached? So, you must be aware of your feelings and be prepared to move on with your life and think with your heart and not with your head. Sometimes, when we think too much, we just hold ourselves back. But this may be the time for you to think with your heart, and there is someone in need of you who needs you desperately, and you must go for their help, or you must at least talk to this person. You are trying to avoid them, and in your circumstances you are going to see something unexpected, an unexpected turn of events waiting to unfold. But you must stay strong, focused, have that belief and trust in yourself, and believe that everything is happening for the highest good. So, whatever happening next may be quite unexpected, but you will come out of the situation um, with more clarity if you can hold on, wait. So, that is the energy here with this card for you. So, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.